There's one.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
There's the Skyline wagon and the 2000 GT.
This thing fucks so hard. I swear. That's awesome. That is just the dopest fucking thing right there. Oh my god, dude. Look
I kept the haulers because I like the haulers.
Oh yeah, of course. I was talking about putting a shelf up over here so I can put a bunch of displays. And,
I even brought these for you too.
Ooh. Oh my god.
That is the Copper Racer.
Oh, that one is so sick. They're both sick, but man, dude, thank you.
I know that you'll be hitting the road pretty soon.
Yes, I leave. When is this getting posted?
I'm probably gonna be leaving the weekend of the 8th or be the weekend of the 16th.
Seriously, I appreciate this stuff. Oh wait.
Wrong way.
That way.
Yep.
Whoa! When you said rounded and then said, yeah, the first thing that went to my head is motherfucker.
So with success brewing over here. Let's see how. Oh yeah, this one's rusty.
And then I've got the WRS stands for weight spawn.
I gotta come to the rescue. You're kidding.
No!
Why not?
Are you
Bad day. That's a stud. Oh, that's a big one. What are you thinking? I don't even have my drill.
Oh no, it rusted off.
Yeah.
Okay, you're completely split out. Yep. I was trying to find my...
There you go.
Woo! Okay.
No. And this was supposed to be easier.
You never amounted to anything!
Oh. So, here, he does. Woohoo! I heard it drop.
Dad, look, I did it!
Oh, you're not even. That's not even the right one. Put off of that one.
No, I know, I'm just trying to figure out what this is.
Can I get the last one just to test it? Yeah. Yeah, this one's probably the best one of them all.
Yeah.
That puppy.
Why does it sound like someone's pissing over there?
I'm peeing.
Yeah.
Do it, baby!
Where's my blue set? Oh, you hear that?
Has this been recording that whole time?
Has it?
Yeah. The red light's on.
I guess so.
So you mean to tell me there's probably about 10 minutes worth of footage of my ass crack?